Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to clear the browsing history in your Mozilla Firefox web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Firefox if it's not already open. And like I said, go ahead and open that up. You want to select the menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser screen. You want to select this menu icon up at the top right corner of the browser window, and you want to select settings near the bottom. Go ahead and select on the left side where it says privacy and security, and you want to scroll down where it says history. Go ahead and select the clear history button, and then you can set the time interval for how far back you want to delete your history, and then you can check mark all the items under history that you want to select, and then select OK. And that's pretty much it. You close out of here, restart your browser, and that's about it. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.